Welcome students. Now we'll discuss about Module 7 for the program Second Year Base Agriculture Honors for subject Agricultural Engineering for third semester. The course code is COMP 231 and the title of the course is Agri Informatics. The name of the module is Operating Systems, Definition, Function and Types. I am Mr. Vinod Adkari, Assistant Professor, Don Bosco College of Agriculture, Sulcorna, Goa. The outline of this current module is operating systems, their definition, function of operating system, and different examples of operating system. At the end of this module, students will able to learn about the definition of operating system. There are different functions of this OS and different types of OS. What is mean by operating system? So operating system is a set of software, that is system software, that controls and manages hardware and basic system operations for a computer. The operating system loads different programs into the computer memory. It will runs that programs and manages different peripheral hardwares like disks or we can say printers, etc. Operating system are the programs that acts as an intermediary between the user and the computer. It will connect, it will act like a bridge between user and the hardware. So it will just like an intermediary. What are the goals of operating system? First is the to execute the user programs and solves user problem. Next, to make this computer system convenient to use. Without operating system, we can't use these systems. Next, to use the computer hardware in a very efficient manner. What are the functions of these operating systems? So first, to protect the hardware and software from improper use. That is the main aim of this operating system. Next, control over hardware resources such as input-output devices, secondary storage devices, etc. And communication with user through commands and responses. File management is also important function of operating system. Next is the memory management. What are the commonly used operating systems? Just like a DOS, that is disk operating system. Windows is popularly known by everyone. There are different versions of this Windows. Next, Unix, Linux are also types of operating system. There are four components of computer system. We can say this bottom is computer hardware, and this is the computer system and their application programs. So, operating system will act like a intermediary or bridge between this computer and computer hardware, and it will be accessed to the user. There are different types of operating system as we discussed. Disk operating system, it is by Microsoft. The logo of this disk operating system, MS-DOS, is given here. Linux is the operating system. Then Unix is also one type of operating system. Next is the Windows, popularly it is by Microsoft. Then there's Mac OS is also operating system used in many devices. Popular operating system now we'll discuss here. First is the MS-DOS, Microsoft disk operating system. It is a single user OS. It is used for personal computers and it was introduced in 1981. It is CUI based, character user interface based operating system. Next is the Unix. This is the operating system which is multi-user. It can be used on wide variety of computers, ranging from notebook to supercomputers. This operating system developed in early 1970 by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. It was the first OS to be written in high-level language, that is C language. Next operating system is Linux, and it is open source operating system. It is multitasking OS designed for PC, and it is invented by Linus Torvalds in 1990. And most popular Windows operating system is there. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation, that company, to overcome the limitation of their previous OS, that is MS-DOS. And there are different versions of this Microsoft Windows are there. It is GUI based operating system, that is graphical user interface system, and it is single user or multi-user or multitasking OS, depend upon their version or different types. Like this Microsoft Windows NT, new technology Windows is there. It is multi-user and it has built-in networking and communication feature, and it is used for different workstation and servers. As I told, there are different version of this Windows. In 1983, Bill Gates announced Microsoft Windows on 1983, November 10. Next, he announced that Windows 1 was introduced, Windows 2. Likewise, there is development in the different versions of this Windows. In 93, 3.1 Windows came, 94, then up to 99, Windows CE 3.0 version came. At 2000, Windows 2000 came, then in 2001, Windows XP came, then 2003, Windows 2003, Windows Vista came in 2006, Windows 8, 7, and now the latest versions are this Windows 10 and Windows 11, which is released in 2021. So, these are the different versions of this Windows. So, these are the references for this topic. Thank you.